Hey everybody. Okay, I did a little bit of revising here, so I thought I would pop in a couple videos as well. So I'm just sliding down past the informational stuff that you should have seen already. Don't forget to create a Google Drive and share it with me. Okay. And then you get into the who are you. I gave you that for last week. And now for this week, you can get started on these numbered modules. I've opened up modules 1, 2, and 3 today. So you jump into module 1. I have everything linked to Google. These questions right here, they're just to get you thinking. They appear on the assignment as well. So because I've got everything linked to Google, you click on it, and then once you click on it, file, make a copy, save it to the folder that you created, make sure you title it, and then upload it here once you have completed the assignment. So for this first one, it's just a reading and answering questions. I'm just going to gauge your comprehension here. So again, I write in color when things are important. So you don't need to answer these 4 questions. They're just to get you thinking. So part 1, I'm going to have you look at some videos and commercials. And there's some quick little questions for you. Part 2 is looking at a slam poem performance. If you want to follow along with printed lyrics, we got things linked up here. If you don't remember what tone is, its definition, okay? If there's a link, use it. If there's a word you don't know, look it up. You're on a computer, okay? Got an essay for you to read and answer some questions, and then some poetry. Here's a little review on poetry terms, asking you to do a double entry journal. So, and then this last part here is narrative nonfiction. Okay, choose 5 questions, 2 marks each. So one thing to know about me is with these numbers at the end here, if it's 6 marks, 6 points, 5 marks, 5 points, 15 marks, 15 points. This question's asking for a 3-column chart. 5 things in each column would be fabulous. Okay, I don't need complete sentences. These are for you. They're, like I said, it's just to gauge your comprehension on this and to make sure that you're reviewing some vocabulary. Okay, I didn't check all the links. They worked last year. If they don't work, let me know. And you'll see that I've put like 5 things together here. You are able to hand in multiple files, so if you like to do everything on a separate paper, just make sure that you title it and hand it in. If you have any questions, let me know.